Hi, this is a short demonstration on how data stored in enviPath can be accessed. The various types of data objects can be directly accessed from the top menu. We'll start with the package. Packages imported into the enviPath database will initially have the unreviewed status. This also applies to its contents such as pathways and compounds. Users with the reviewer status will be able to confirm the validity of its content and change the status to reviewed, which would appear separately in a similar list called reviewed. We can expand the list by clicking on the title, and we can explore the content of a chosen package by clicking on its name. Here we see a list of data objects that are also stored in the package. We can access them by clicking on the names, such as pathways. We can expand the list by clicking on the title in a similar manner and clicking on the name of the pathways. Here you see a graphical representation of the pathway. You can move the pathway around by dragging on the white space, and you can also drag the nodes and reactions around for your convenience of viewing. As you can see, by hovering your mouse cursor over these objects, an additional small menu will appear. They work for both reactions and compounds, and you can access the main page of these objects by clicking on the name. Here is the main page of this compound. There are lists here that you can expand, which contain information about this compound, such as the image representation, smiles representation, and information on their half-lives. These are scenario objects that are associated to this compound. You can access them by clicking on them, which will bring you to the main page of this particular scenario containing additional information. You can also see how this scenario is linked back to the compound structure and the pathway that we started with. We can also access these information via the top menu. We start with the pathway. We come back to the same page, and we can explore the rules. Here's one of the rules stored in the package. In the database, sorry. Here you see which package the rule belongs to. We can also access the compounds. Here's the image representation of this particular compound. You also see which package this compound belongs to. The smiles representation of this compound, the pathways that it belongs to, and the reactions that it is associated with. Other data objects can be accessed in a similar manner, and we can also search for them via this tab on the top menu. We can select the range of our search, and we can type in the search parameter, and results returned will be presented like this. There are rules and scenarios that matches this term. Thank you for your attention.